Hey everyone, I'm Jill. I'm a production manager at Nokia, and I'm here to start talking to you about OZO Live video processing. Just for a quick recap, our OZO Live server is behind me somewhere, and our OZO Live software is running on top of it. I'm logged into the OZO Live server via a web interface, and that's what I'm going to be using as I walk you through our color correction controls. So in OZO Live, we can control the gamma, the white balance, the black level, red, green, and blue globally and by camera. So I'm going to do some pretty drastic corrections just so you can see them on the monitor behind me. As you see, we're set up as a stereoscopic equirectangular. So just take a look at what happens. When I'm at gamma number 1, and when I move it up, you can see what happens. When I move it down, you can see what happens. I'm going to reset it. There's a reset button. I'm going to reset it. I can do the same with my red and green levels as well. So we can completely tweak out red, take it out, or reset it. Do that with green and blue as well. We can do this per lens. So this is my left lens. I'm just going to show you what that looks like. Okay, it's my left lens. You'll notice right now that the left lens is appearing in the center of frame. That's because we have digitally panned the camera. We'll take a look at that in the following video when we talk about stitching. So I'm going to reset that. I'm going to walk you through the left front lens. Let's take a look at that one. Take the gamma down, take it up, and you can see over there how it's appearing in two different places because I am in stereo. Reset that so we don't have to look at it. My right front lens, again, you'll see it's only appearing in the top right corner of the monitor, and it's taking up much more room on the left side, difference between your left and right eyes in stereo. And so that's our color correction. It's super useful to be able to correct your lenses individually in case your OZO is pointing out and you've got a completely different lighting situation in the back of the camera. That way you can balance your lenses so that you don't have a really drastic change from lens to lens. It's really super helpful. The other thing you can do is you can override your illuminant setting. Now, just to switch back for a second, your illuminant has already been established when you established your exposure in remote. That's covered in another video. I can then override my illuminant in here, which is just metadata, and you can see as I change it, I'm changing the color balance on the camera. Just leave it somewhere fabulous blue. I can also denoise and sharpen my image. My denoising uses a spatial algorithm up to level 6. Our denoising controls are temporally based until level 6. And then from levels 7 to 10, we add a spatially based algorithm. So you've got pretty fine control over your denoising. We also have a sharpening control in here, which by default is set to level 3. You can adjust it lower or higher. And that takes us through our video processing tab in OZO Live. Check into our other videos for other functionality within this and other parts of the OZO ecosystem. Thanks so much.